So now we are going to start with 3 number. In 3 number question, it is told to draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. So first I have drawn a line of 4 centimeter. I will measure it in this way. Since here two cases are arise, means once the diagonals are perpendicular and once it is in regular way. So we have to draw two circles here for case 1 and case 2. So first for case 1 we will go case 1. So this is case 1. 4 centimeter I have taken and I have allowed the compass to move freely. This is the center O and we need to draw two diagonals. Here in the first portion it is not told whether the diagonals will be perpendicular or not. In a regular manner we need to draw the diagonals. So let me draw it. I have drawn diagonals. I have named them A, this is B, C and D. Now in the next portion it is told you need to join the ends of the diagonals. Be careful, always use pencil while construction. Don't use pen in any point while drawing construction. Though I am using here pen because to point it out for you, but in your notebook you will use pencil, not pen. Okay? So now I will join them. Join the ends of this. See, by dotted line I will join. You will use pencil to join this, but there will be dotted lines. Here I have joined all the end points. So what figure I have got? Seeing the figure, you can say that I have got a rectangle. I have got here, this is a rectangle. I have got a rectangle. A, C, B, D is a rectangle. Okay. Now we will move to case 2. In case 2, I have drawn the circle with 4 centimeter radius. Here it is told what figure is obtained if the diagonals are perpendicular. So now I need to draw the diagonals perpendicularly. That means making an angle of 90 degree. Okay. So making an angle of 90 degree I have drawn. I have named them as P, Q and R, S. Here also I need to join the ends of the diagonal using pencil and by dotted lines, not the solid lines. I have joined them. So what figure I have obtained? Here P, S, Q, R is a square. Okay. So these are the two cases. In one case I have got them as rectangle and in the second case I have got them as square. Now let's move to question number 4. In question number 4, it is told draw two circles of each radii with center A and B. That means both the circles should have equal radii such that each of the circle passes through the center of the other. That means one circle should pass through the center of the other. Where they intersect, mark the point where they intersect as C and D. Examine whether AB is perpendicular to CD or not. So here two intersecting circles we need to draw with any radius, but the radius for both the circle should be same. Okay, so let's have a look. Since it is told any radius, so let me take the radius as 4.5. It is not compulsory that you also need to take 4.5. You can take any other also. Am I clear? So I will go for it. 4.5 I will measure with compass, steel point at one end, and allow the pencil to move. I will draw a circle. Okay, and this center will be named as A. This center is A. Since it is told that the centers are A and B. Now I will draw the radius. Now if I mark it as B, and if I take B as center and I will draw another circle with same radius, then we will find that the second circle which I have drawn, that passes through the center of the first circle. As it is mentioned in the question that the first circle should pass through the center of second circle and second circle should pass through the center of first circle, so our drawing or the construction which I have drawn is perfect. First circle, that is with center A, has passed through B, and second circle with center B passes through A. So according to the question we have followed. Again in the question it is written the intersecting point should be marked as C and D, and then we need to join C and D. Okay, this point let me mark as O, where AB and CD intersected. Now in the last point it is told to find out whether this OA and OC are perpendicular to each other or not. That means this line AB perpendicular to CD or not. So we have to recall what does perpendicular means. Perpendicular means the angle between them should be 90 degree. Using protector we will find out whether it is 90 or not. See, the protector I have taken, I have placed the baseline with OA, with AB, the baseline I have placed with AB, and while I have placed the baseline with AB, I have found that OC has coincide with 90 degree. Okay, so what we have got, that this is a right angle. Okay, now just you need to write the steps for it. Next, question number 5 is left for the students as homework. Hint is provided in the book, so you do accordingly. So here our construction of circle is over. In the next class we will meet you with a new topic of construction. Till then, stay safe, stay protective. Thank you.